Video title: Using present and past participles as adjectives. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use present and past participles as adjectives. Are you ready? What are participles? Participles are special verb forms that can describe nouns just like adjectives. There are two types: present participles ing form, past participles ed, dt, n, ren form. Present participle adjectives ing form. Present participle adjectives describe something that causes a feeling or action. Example: the movie is interesting. The sentence using interesting as a present participle adjective, explaining the events in an interesting manner. Example 2: the lecture is boring, making the students feel uninterested and sleepy. Here, boring is an adjective to describe the lecture, meaning it lacks excitement. In the sentence, the clown is entertaining, the word entertaining is used as an adjective to describe the clown. It describes the clown's ability to make people laugh and have fun. In the sentence, the spinning dog is amusing. Both spinning and amusing are adjectives. Spinning is a present participle adjective that describes the dog. It tells what the dog is doing. In the sentence, the girl's music is relaxing. The word relaxing is an adjective that describes music. Relaxing is a present participle adjective. Notice how all these adjectives end in ing and describe the noun that causes the feeling. Past participle adjectives ed, en, d, t, n form. Past participle adjectives describe how someone feels or the state of something after an action. In the sentence, the student looks tired. The word tired is an adjective that describes the student. Tired is a past participle adjective. In the sentence, the broken glass needs to be cleaned up. Broken is a past participle adjective that describes glass. In the sentence, he looked shocked after reading the letter. The word shocked is an adjective that describes he. Shocked is a past participle adjective that means greatly surprised or emotionally affected. In the sentence, the stolen bike was found near the park. The word stolen is an adjective that describes bike. Stolen is a past participle adjective that means taken unlawfully. In the sentence, she looks confused by the question. The word confused is an adjective that describes she. Confused is a past participle adjective that means uncertain. Past participles usually end in ed, en, d, t, or n, and they describe how someone feels or the result of an action. Comparing present and past participle adjectives. The thrilled riders clapped at the end. Thrilled is a past participle adjective. The thrilling roller coaster made everyone scream. Thrilling is a present participle. Amazing is a present participle adjective that describes the book. Amazed is a past participle adjective that describes how I felt. The match was exhausting. Exhaustion is a present participle adjective that describes the match. The player was exhausted. Exhausted is a past participle adjective that describes the player. First one, the speech was inspiring. Inspiring is a present participle adjective that describes the speech. Present participle adjectives describe the cause of a feeling. Second one, the audience was inspired. Inspired is a past participle adjective that describes the audience. Past participle adjectives describe the effect of something on a person. Great job, everyone. Now you know how to use present and past participles as adjectives. Keep practicing and see you in the next lesson. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more educational videos. Thank you for watching.